In this video, I'm going to show you how to add indicators in Tickblaze. Now to do this, first you want to open your chart and you want to go to the top over here where you can see this symbol and it says indicators when you hover over it. So simply click on it and then you have two options. You could either go and look for an indicator over here on this list, or you can go and click on community scripts or browse. And if you click on browse over here, you can simply search for a bunch of different indicators. So if I type in here, for example, Bollinger like this, and I do search, as you can see, it's gonna find Bollinger Bands. I can click on them, double click it, and there we go, it's gonna pop up in here. Now whenever you find it, you want to click on the indicator you want to add and then click on this arrow down button over here, and as you can see, it's going to be added to indicators on chart. And then over here you have the settings, so you can set this up if you want to, and then you have parameters as well where you can basically change periods, multipliers, etc. And when you're ready, simply hit the apply button at the bottom, and then if you click on OK, as you can see, the indicator has been added onto my chart. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.